beautiful smile to hide the pain. Did you ever know that you're my hero? And everything I would like to be. I could fly higher than an eagle. But you are the wind beneath my wings. It might ever fear to go unnoticed, but I've got it all here in my heart. I want you to know I know the truth. Of course I know it. I would be nothing without you. Did you ever know that you're my hero? You're everything I wish I could be. Oh, and I could fly higher than an eagle. But you are the wind beneath my wings. Did I ever tell you you're my hero? You're everything, everything I wish I could be. Oh, and I could fly higher than an eagle. You are the wind beneath my wings. You are the wind beneath my wings. Oh, the wind beneath my wings. Oh, you are the wind beneath my wings. Fly, fly away. You let me fly so high. Oh, you are the wind beneath my wings. Oh, you are the wind beneath my wings. Fly high against the sky, so high I almost touch the sky. Thank God for you, the wind beneath my wings.
Wow, well done, Kayleigh. And what do you think of Kayleigh's performance tonight?
You do know it's time to come in on the Grammys, don't you? Do you get a car? Do you get a little car? That dress is gorgeous. I want it. It was so stunning. I mean, from the way you look to your vocals, I mean, all of it, it was just phenomenal. I mean, wow, your lower notes were gorgeous. Your belt, I've never heard you belt that high before. Because obviously I've never seen you sing before apart from your audition. And you just smashed it out of the park. I mean, there's nothing else I can say. Nothing I will say can justify how incredible that was. It was absolutely beautiful, phenomenal. Well done.
Kelly, what do you think of Kayleigh's performance, Kelly?
Well, Joey, I'm quite speechless. I just wrote wow. And I was just mesmerised by you. There are no words. I don't know what to say. It was it just took my breath away. I was on the verge of tears throughout the whole performance. You were a dark horse. You really are a dark horse. You've come out tonight and it's like, you've literally just wowed me. That was just, literally, I'm just going to repeat myself because I cannot find anything else to say. It was just honestly so beautiful. And to think how you started your journey, and to see you now pulling off a song like that so elegantly and with that vocal. Oh wow, that was just fabulous, just absolutely fabulous. Well done.
Kayleigh, you got to give credit when credit's due, and it simply is. I mean, I genuinely feel like you come into tonight for a place in that in the themes. I generally feel that, and I could see the fight and the passion to actually give it everything you could then. Don't worry about that little thing at the end. It made no difference to the song because of what you brought in that, especially in that second part. The guts, the passion, the power, the powerfulness for somebody so young was absolutely stunning. It was absolutely stunning. You looked amazing. You felt it looked comfortable. It looked like, right, I'm here to perform, I'm here to own this song, and I'm here to try and smash this and get myself a place in the 18. And that's what I felt there. You give that feeling to me. You should be so proud of what you've just done, and you do look amazing tonight. Well done. Well done.